The Zion 4PF Black-White Vivid Purple is a basketball shoe designed to stand out through both performance and style. The upper features layered black and white geometric patterns that create depth and movement, giving the shoe a bold yet refined look. Its breathable material feels firm and supportive, while the flowing curves from the toe to the sides add a strong three-dimensional presence. A solid black heel panel sharpens the overall shape and provides visual balance. Vivid purple accents appear on the tongue, Jumpman logo, and Zion branding, delivering a vibrant contrast against the monochrome base and adding a modern street-inspired vibe. Black details around the laces and inner lining further tie the design together. The light blue icy outsole reveals parts of the midsole foam and features added texture at the center for reliable grip. Built with performance, individuality, and lifestyle appeal in mind, the Zion 4PF blends basketball culture and fashion, making it ideal for players and sneaker fans who want a confident and eye-catching look on and off the court.